What an amazing day trip. Elliot was a most friendly, courteous, and accommodating guide. I was grateful for his, and his car's, ability to handle such long distances of driving on paved and unpaved roads. Getting to Assin Manso Slave River Park can take anywhere from 2 to 4 hours, depending on road conditions and traffic. The journey is well worth it, because once you arrive, the experience is profoundly humbling, heavy, yet necessary. This site offers a powerful view to the realities of the transatlantic slave trade, allowing you to walk the same paths where countless men/women/children were forced to prepare to be sold into slavery. Walking barefoot along the trail, optional, as my ancestors once did, holding the ball and chain, passing through the door of no return, and stepping into the slave river, all of these moments carry huge symbolic weight. The opportunity to then return through that same doorway, my words just cannot fully capture the emotions that arose in me as I reclaimed a piece of my ancestors through myself. It was moving beyond words. It's something felt in your soul as you stand on hallowed ground. The visit to Cape Coast Castle offered another sobering perspective. Set against the beautiful backdrop of the Atlantic coast, the castle forces you to imagine the contrasting experiences of the captors and the captives. Touring the castle, standing in the slave dungeons, and then stepping into the officers' quarters reveals contrasting realities within the same walls. Looking out across the ocean, you can almost sense the fear of those who awaited an unknown fate, while you also sense the power held by those who orchestrated it. The history held within the castle's architecture provides a broader understanding of the systems that enabled these horrors. This whole-day tour experience is a confrontation with history, one that leaves you reflecting on resilience, loss, and the long road to independence. We booked the full-day culture and nature tour of Cape Coast with Elliot on November 30, 2025. And it was an incredible experience. Elliot set the tone with his professionalism and warmth. From the moment he picked us up in Accra, I could tell we were in good hands. The first stop was Assin Manso Ancestral Slave River Park, followed by the Cape Coast Castle. The guides at both locations were incredibly knowledgeable and set the scene with historic facts, and an overview of cultural attitudes and norms during the period. They gave context that went beyond the surface level. Elliot stayed with us for the entire day and all tour stops. He's punctual, highly knowledgeable, and passionate about providing a meaningful experience. He checked in to make sure we were comfortable, had enough water, and were getting everything we hoped for from the tour. Important things to note. 1. There will be lots of driving. The drive from Accra to Cape Coast is approximately 3 to 3.5 hours depending on traffic and road conditions. When we visited, a large stretch of the main highway to Cape Coast was under construction, so a good portion of the drive was on bumpy dirt roads, 1 hour. The drive from Assin Manso to Cape Coast Castle is approximately 1 hour. 2. All admission fees are covered in the cost of the excursion. You are only responsible for tips, and other gratuities. When we looked at the full itinerary in the Tour app, it had a note by each item saying, "Admission not included." This is incorrect. All admission is included and covered by the price you pay for the tour. 3. Definitely wear comfortable shoes. 4. Elliot provides phone charger, Wi-Fi, water. He's an amazing host,